We got some bees swarming today. We got some flying around this tree. We got a few flying around my swarm box. Still coming out. I hope y'all can see this. I put in my box over here. Hopefully they'll move in and not fly away. The sound is crazy. They're so loud. But they're very docile. None of them are even landing on me. They're landing on me. I gave them a little bridge to get from the tree to the box if they want to. Really don't know where the queen is. But something's drawing them in this box. If you look at the little hive over there, it's all calmed down, pretty much back to normal. But this is a happening place over here. I think we might have got the queen in the box, because if you look at these, they got their butts up in the air and they're fanning. They release a pheromone to let folks know, come on in.
Oh, queen's in the box. They're fanning to get more scent and things. She must have been
And now they're all going in the box like they're supposed to. If I get them to walk down from that tree over there, across this little plank, and go in the box. Okay, now we got our little parade going. They're coming down the tree and across the board and going into the hive. How cool is that? All the bees are off the tree now. They're still coming across. Got a few hanging out on the front. Just a few. Girls are doing good. Okay, the tree's empty. The board's empty. And all the bees are right here. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna move the whole thing over to there. Because then I got to put another box. I need to get some food on them. You know, they just got a bunch of empty frames and a little bit of a couple of, I think 3 or 4 drawn out frames is all I was able to get in there. So they need a little food. Okay, we're going to open them up, put the rest of the frames in, and get a little food on them. Okay. Well, I got them set up on some blocks. I didn't have a proper bottom board. I'm just using a double screen board on top of a piece of plywood for now. Got another box put on top with a sugar feeder. Got a pollen patty on them. So they got a lot of empty comb. They got, I think, 4 drawn combs in there. There's a lot of bees. So we'll see how they do. Been a fun day.